I am in Watsonville around the poor and neglected. And no, they did not help me come up with this video. Mace, son. Mason, the pro and the con. M-A-S-O-N, separated on the dollar bill to emphasize the separation. God separated light and dark, and the Mason combined it to confuse him. That is his entire snake, wolf, jackal, fox, to fox someone, right? To snake someone. And who helps him spread it? The gypsies. To gyp someone. That is their religion. May Day. May sin. Made sin? Okay, May Day. That's the 9. The 9 is going down. The 9 is going down. May Day. Because the day is the light. And May is not right. It's Mace. Mason. The sons of Mace. Okay, who civilized and who built? Who was a mighty hunter? Who built the pyramids? The sons of the king, the Scorpion King. And when the Masons listen carefully, sorry for yelling, but this is important. This is very important. When the Masons lost the Egyptian race debate, it was like saying that the white man is the devil. And all this you believed about your half good, half evil nature is nonsense. And you've been snaking the black people out of their rightful place all these years. Because you are too arrogant to just take a look at the people you hate and compare them to your culture and see that you're wrong. We are the sons of the Scorpion King, Igbo. And you are the con. I am calling you out, con men, with your con plan.